Hello. In a previous video, which is available in the tricks and tips section, I demonstrated how to use MODO's locators to orientate your windows to the window openings. Here I show you a dramatically faster way of doing it using the new Add Locator To Corner command. To use this command, you simply select two edges which meet at the bottom left corner of the window opening. The only stipulation here is that they share a common point. You can select the edges in any order that you wish. Once you've selected the edges, you'll see that the command is now available, and if you click on it, a locator will be orientated to the plane of the polygon that the window sits on, as you can see here. It also works with windows that are orientated at different angles, so you can use it for roofs. So we're going to select the two edges and run the command, and you can see how fast that is, and also even for flat roofs. So we'll just select these two edges and we're done. Of course, once we've created locators, we can very simply fit the windows by selecting them and holding down the Control or equivalent key and simply dropping them onto the window locators, which are in the item list. And now the windows are orientated using the transforms that were created when we placed the locators into the correct positions, as you can see here. Okay, well that's it for this one. Cheers, bye.